Hi guys, welcome to today's video. This is the tutorial, extremely colorful, using all Juvia's Place palettes. Of course, they're doing it for women of color. They're doing it for the small YouTubers. They're doing it for the culture, honey. Okay, so before I show you guys how this look is achieved, I'm talking about my classes just for a little bit. I ain't gonna be long or nothing. So I'm having classes in Jamaica as well as Florida. The Jamaica classes are the 29th of November to the 1st of December and of this year, and the Florida classes are the 2nd of January to the 4th of January. So, and that's next year, 2020. So that's all the info I'm gonna say. Everything is on my website, LyricRochester.com. Please go ahead and check it out and register if you have not registered. And I think we're doing some more perks, so follow us on LyricRochester International on Instagram to get more deals, more discounts, more ways to save, and more goodie bag previews and stuff like that. So enjoy the video. Swollen. I don't know if you can see, but this eye is swollen. It was bigger this morning. I got bit last night because an ant bite, and yeah, ants bite me for my eye. I don't know, but I'm gonna just dive right in. Let me just dive in. Alright, so for my brows, I'm going to be using my Shana like brow. I like to call it brow pomade, but it's like a brow, you know what I mean, like a brow gel. And you guys, I am almost out. I have to be using the lighter one. I don't like how the lighter one looks because I went there to buy it, and you know, they only had the lighter one in store, and I was just like, alright, give me the lighter one. But I really love this dark brown one. It lasts the entire day. It does not come off whatsoever. Like, she did that with this brow pomade, brow gel, brow situation. It does not move, especially for us who wear bangs. Sometimes our bangs erase our brows. That does not happen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be using Rich Caramel, and that's from Black Opal. It's actually a foundation, and I use it to do all my highlighting. So I'm going to use it to do my brows, and this is how I typically do my brows, but I just recently started doing the whole excuse me, Jonathan is beside me and he has a dry cough. The whole unibrow thing, and I actually like it. I believe I saw somebody on Instagram with it. I was like, oh, unibrow. And then when I looked again, her brows are really sexy, and I kind of liked it. So this is Hazelnut and Ebony Brown, and this is what I'm going to be using for my foundation. No, I am not wearing a primer. I literally did this video for you. Wait, no, I went out on the road. Yes, I went on the road with this, but I can't tell you when last I wear a primer. I cannot tell you when last I wear a primer. So I'm just mixing these two together. Hazelnut and Ebony Brown from Black Opal, their foundations, and I'm just working it into my skin. Alright, there we go. Oh, look at Jaleel crying. Oh no. No. Okay, so now this is Rich Caramel, and Rich Caramel is on the same foundation I used to do my brows. So now I am using it to do my highlighticals. I'm highlighting with it. I just like using foundation. They're full coverage. The look is absolutely flawless when you're done. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to be blending out using my Beauty Blender, and the lighting keeps changing for this video until I get to my eyes, because I set up my background differently. So I thought it would have been great because I'm using natural light now. I no longer have my ring light, so because of that, I thought it could have worked out, but it's not working out for me at all. So I figured out the light situation mid-tutorial, and that's when I got to the eyes. So please bear with me until that portion, and I'm just blending, not stop blending at all. I realize that blending is taking most of my time on my tutorials. So this is number 13 that I used before to highlight, and this is number 1 I'm using now. So the lighting change again, and this is how I do my low light. So I kind of take from my cheekbone there, so and then put it on my jawline or whatever, and that, because it's really dark. This is the darkest concealer that they have. So So that's how I do my little slitty slit. And as I say, I just went in again. I just highlighted some more areas. Some areas I wanted to kind of stand out again, guys. I'm sorry, Jonathan is right beside me. So yeah. Some areas I wanted to stand out. So I'm just doing that. Putting the concealer again on my eyes. Just to kind of blank out my eyes. And then whatever's left on my brush from low lighting, I take this and I go down the sides of my nose for my to complete my contouring. So now I go in with my brush, my foundation brush, and I'm going right where I low light to blend it out some more, because I realize even when, you know, I blend out using like the beauty blend and stuff, it doesn't, like, it shows through my powder when I'm powdering and when I'm setting. So I like going over with my foundation brush. So this is Huda Beauty, as you guys saw, and this is called Blondie. It is their setting powder in the color Blondie, and I set everywhere above my brows, my little brow chop or brow slit. I set everywhere. So this is Perfect Spice from Sasha Cosmetics. Oh, little Bobby Roo. Perfect Spice from Sasha Cosmetics. Yeah, man. If I just burst them on bed. Yeah. Call me NyQuil, honey. I'm sorry. That was a bad reference because there's a child and dang it. Sorry. I'm also going on the sides of my nose. I didn't have to, but you know, just going on the sides of my nose just to set everything. Now I'm going with the Festival palette, and now I figured out the lighting. So the Festival palette from Juvia's Place. It's sitting down on something on Juvia's Place, and that's going to my brow bone. But if you notice, I'm not taking it all the way over to the beginning of my brow. I just have it on the arch, right under my arch. So now I'm taking that color and I'm putting it at the beginning of my brow, and that just leaves my brow bone higher. And it leaves my brow bone standing out more. And because I have hooded eyes, this is just what I do to add some dimension to my eyes. Just blending out, and I'm taking the red from the same Festival palette, and that's going to be going like right underneath and kind of like all over. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of like all over. Self-explanatory, really. Then I'm taking still Festival palette, taking the pink, and I'm putting the pink lightly. When I put it there, I was like, I don't know if I want the pink there anymore. So it was just really light. You can barely see it. Then I'm going with the pink now, and as you can tell, I'm using a fluffy brush because I don't really want to place the colors, because I know I'll be erasing everything away with the concealer. So I'm just adding it just like for mixing purposes, and so that it looks nice and blended on top. You guys just see when I do the cut crease. So I'm going in again with the number 13 concealer from Juvia's, and this is what I'll be using to cut my crease, honey. To cut my crease. And what may I say to you now? I have something I want to tell you guys, but yeah. So to cut my crease, like everything after this is self-explanatory. So I just want to address something really quickly in this video. I did a video called YouTube Ain't !T, and I did that title, you know, to grade y'all. But no, also it just left me feeling very nostalgic, you know, like the old YouTube. And I get it, you know, we can't continuously pine off of what was. You just have to move on, you know. A lot of people not doing YouTube anymore, like while the JMC, I don't say doing YouTube anymore. And I don't know if I'm unsubscribed from Monique, but I haven't seen any videos from her, because I even went back to, because me and Destiny Godly have a collab coming up, and I went back to see, like, you know, like the products she used for the look that I wanted to do, and I couldn't find. I was like, why I can't find my subscription list? When I Google, when I search on YouTube, I was not subscribed. And I remember being subscribed to all of Destiny's channels, so I don't know. But yeah, so a couple of people not doing YouTube anymore. I mean, while the GMC is, as I said, was one of them. You guys don't know her, but that girl is a beast, you know. And I have done, some people kept on saying, oh, but you did collab with this person, that person. The truth is, I did not remember. Star Milan, Petite, Sue Divinity, she's also Jamaican. Fumi, obviously, and Fumi has a banging collab now with Juvia's Place, so please check out Fumi's collab with Juvia's Place. She has a beautiful palette called the Queen palette. Side note, this color, when you do that, when it makes red and blue, it makes purple, right? So you're going to see like a hint of purple here, but there's no purple at a place. There's just like the red and the blue mixing. But yeah, so and a part of why YouTube is like how it is right now It's because other people saw us doing it, and they're like, you know what, I can do this. You know, like we encouraged the generation. No, we started, and they're like, you know what, I can do this, and they chose to do it. And I just feel like for some of them, like they just screwed up everything. And I'm being honest, that's just my thought. Like for some of them, it just really messed it up. They came in, and it's just not what it was about. It was never, for those of us who started, it was never about making money or collecting our YouTube check at the end of the day. That was never the issue, because at that point we weren't even earning, so like money was never on our radar at all. You see me? But no, it's just like it's just completely saturated. And then the YouTubers, like the look at Makeup by Tiffany D. Yo, Makeup by Tiffany D. Who else? All That Glitters, Juicy Star 7, Dulce Candy. Who else? Oh my god, what's her name? And she's a dark influencer. Crap, oh, I can't remember her name. She did bad pan cup crease, and she lost her grandmother. Even Thomas Adriana. It's just like people, I don't see them anymore. You know, they're like on Instagram, like they're on Instagram, but not all of them, but they're on Instagram, you know, for some of them. And let me know if you want me to do a part 2, like, you know, like the nostalgic YouTube days. Let me know if you want to do a part 2. I can, because I still have so much more that I want to say, you know. But yeah, it's just really sad that this is where it is now, and like people like me have to be like it's like starting all over, and that's frustrating. It's frustrating, because anyway, if you want me to do a part 2, let me know. Yes, anyway, so I'm going to use that color is called Nude, and it's the LA Pro Primer in Nude. I use the black one to draw the line. So the black line, I use the LA Pro Primer in black, now using it in Nude, and that's just a base to help these other colors pop. The liner I used, the black liner I used to line my eyes, is actually from CoverGirl. You've seen me use that liner before, but it's in a black liner. But yeah, I've used that one, and I love how this peach looked. I love how this peach looked before I did the whole like glowy thing. But when I saw that color, I was like, let me see if I can do something, you know, a little bit more dazzly. But this alone, the peach, to me is absolutely gorgeous. I love this look onto bed. This is my glow. It's an eyeshadow. And Juvia's, I'm gonna say this again, when we do our collab, you know, in the near future, you know what I'm saying, like I have to have this in my highlight. You know, like I want to do a highlight, you know what I'm saying, like some banging colors, and I want to do that, you know. But yeah, so I used to highlight, and I'm using a smaller brush to do my highlight now. Who would have thunk it? Then this is gonna be my blush. Okay, so for my lips now, my lips, I mixed 2 things. So I used Ghost Spectral from CoverGirl again. That's a lip gloss, and then I went in with Nude. I have 2 LA Pro Primer in Nude. I have one that I know reserved for lips, and I have another one that I use for my eyes. So now the one that's for my lips, it's LA Pro Primer in Nude, yeah, mixed with this what is the name, lip gloss. So I mixed both of them. Here we go, and it just gave me the nude I was feeling for, the nude I was pining for, the nude I was hoping for. And mama loves it, baby. I love it so much. This is what I've been wearing for the past couple of days. So I'm going to actually wrap up my hair, because during this tutorial I had no idea what I was going to do to my hair. That's why I just had the stocking cap on like most of the time. Come down when you want to do it. We got my suitcase and my towel throw over the suitcase, right? It's like this setup, it was just so like haphazard, because I just thought the lighting was good where it was, but look at this lighting now. It's way better, it's way more consistent. So I'm gonna have to switch up back the room so that I can have this lighting, because I like how this one looks. So yeah, what is next? Yeah, this is the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my classes, just go on my website, LyricRochester.com. All the info is there. We're having a deal right now, and for the first, let's say, what did I put, 10 or the first 10 students? Yes, yeah. So the first 10 students to register for my Jamaican classes, and also the first 5 to register for my Florida classes, you guys will get a banging, like a mini makeup kit. See? So yeah, this is it for this tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.
quick, I don't